Morning, guys. Happy Sunday. 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm bored shitless already. I've got a day off. Let me look at the state of those clouds. It's grey. I won't be doing much with the cars today. I was going to wash them, but you know what? I did them yesterday. Look at that. That's come out lovely, hasn't it? Even my wheels are nice and shiny this morning. And I didn't just do Mr. C's car. I also did Mrs. C's car. Stupidly shiny. A 2 Range Rover family, guys. I had some more problems with the 405. But nothing serious again. I'll show you what it was, actually. All it was. And apparently this is quite common on 405s. It's a £13 fix off Amazon. See this little start button here? When you keep pushing it, the last one got a hole right where it says engine. It cracked. My finger went in. But apparently you just take this bit off, put your finger underneath, and you can click them out. They're on like 3 spring clips. So I changed that yesterday, and it works fine. Just not as clicky as the original. Anyway, wash the car. Nice and clean inside. Ish. Gotta love these Range Rovers, guys. Even inside, look. She's clean. She's nice. Panoramic roof. Everything's shiny. So, don't know what I'm going to do today. I'm absolutely bored shitless. It's a good job I washed the cars yesterday, because today I think it's just going to piss it down. Couldn't be bothered to do a Sunday roast. I did spicy chicken last night, guys. I used Filipino, like spicy breadcrumb mix. Mrs. C was amazed, because I put some buffalo wing hot sauce on top of it as well, and then I put some Ancona hot chili sauce. Oh man, I was farting in bed. I got punched off Mrs. C twice in bed last night, guys. My stomach was just bubbling. I know you don't want to hear this, but about 2 o'clock this morning, I went to the toilet. Man, I could have shit through the eye of a needle at 50 paces. Rough. One good thing about spicy chicken, guys, it gives you a good clean out. I feel like I've been completely detoxed. Well, actually, I felt like I'd been bloody anally violated in reverse after eating that. Check out the shorts. You'll see what I mean. That was a bit off subject, wasn't it? Right, so there's no point doing anything in the garden today either, because it's going to rain. I'll just catch you in a bit, because I'm bored. Well, 9:30. I still, for the life of me, guys, cannot think of what to do. I just can't. I've just sat in the car having a cigarette. I suppose I could clean the car inside a bit more, but I really couldn't be arsed. It's Sunday morning, I'm back to work tomorrow. Mrs. C's still in bed. She's just laid there watching K-dramas. It must be an Asian thing. She just loves these K-dramas. Mind you, we watched a really nice Korean film yesterday. It was really, really good. It was about North Korea and South Korea and Russians and kidnapping girls from North Korea and the Russian mafia. And it was really good for a Korean film. I can't remember the name of it, but it was interesting. And then we binge-watched a new series on Netflix called Legend. No, not The Legend with the Cray brothers, guys. That was the film. That was a really good film. But it was a mini-series. It was about seven episodes about customs in the UK and busting heroin importers, Turkish and Scousers and Londoners. And yeah, it was really good. So Legend, if you get a chance to watch it on Netflix, there's only seven episodes. Well worth it. Oh, just looking at the sky again now, guys. I mean, look at the state of this. What am I going to do today? You can't really do a lot when you've got flipping weather like that coming your way. It's bloody lousy, isn't it? Don't know what to do. Even this video's even more shit than usual today, guys, because I've got nothing to talk about. Settling into my new job. Spent the last 2 weeks out in Coventry. I've actually been sent to Coventry. If you're English, you'll get that one. I've set up the site. It's 3 phases, and it's about a 4-year contract with a massive water supplier in the UK. It's all about emissions and compliance, and it's a great job, guys. Great company. So from Monday, I've got the civil engineers, the civil contractors coming in, and they're going to be ripping up a load of tarmac and curbstones and levelling ground. There's going to be machines, about another 7 guys starting that off, and we're going to flatten everything. And then a bit later on, we're going to lay concrete, a big slab of concrete, 35 metres long, 10 metres wide, and we're going to have a 280-ton crawler crane set on that for the next 3 years, guys. So things are starting to happen on Monday. Things are starting to happen. I've been getting home at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon for the last 2 weeks. I've been bored shitless again. I think the theme of this video today is just being bored, guys. Like today I'm bored. Not in a bad way. I'm just not used to not doing anything. And for the life of me, I can't find anything to do. Even Mrs. C, she's not jobbing me up and giving me work to do, so bored. Well, nothing left to do in here either. Sort of semi-clean. That doesn't always work. If you push that dot just there, it locks the car. The mirrors fold in, everything flashes. But for some reason, now it works. Keyless entry. Range Rovers have got some really weird quirks. She's looking clean. Not as clean as Mrs. C's little Kiss Filipina. Got this number plate with the car. Kiss Filipina. Kiss Filipina. Anyway. Got rid of all that wood. That's been sat there for about, well, as long ago as when I actually built this gate. So that's clean. Mrs. C, she's been planting more plants. She loves the plants, Mrs. C. Look, we've got loads of them. Quite pretty. Not sure what this is, but there's a lot of it. Hell of a lot of it. It's like a climber, isn't it? Well, that's the only bit of wood I've saved. More plants down here, look. We did buy olive plants, olive trees. We bought 4. Oh, and my new wind chimes. Swapped around where the jacuzzi sits. You can see by the mark on the decking where it was. We've had to move it over, so it's actually central to that wall-mounted umbrella that I've put on the wall. When that folds out, the centre is bang over the middle of the jacuzzi now, guys. Everything's looking all right. I need to put some oil on this decking at some point because it's going very white. So when the summertime really comes, I'll clear this decking off and I'll get the sander and I'll just lightly sand the tops, and I'll put some new decking oil on it because it is drying out a bit. You can see where it's wet, what sort of colour it should be. Oh, we've got blueberry plants as well. We've got 2 of them. They're starting to get little flowers. And the olives, There's another one, look, they're starting to sort of pick up again. Even more plants. Been all the way down there. Mrs. C is busy. I've spread the strawberries out, so we've got little lines of strawberries now. They're getting flowers on them, so we should have some strawberries coming soon. I can see the bees are pollinating and doing the little thing. I've got one just over there on that black flower. It's nice to see the bees in the UK. Without bees, this company would be on its arse, or this country even, or the world. Got some raspberry plants at the back, 3. And we've got a little bit of spare room here. I don't know what we're going to put in there yet. There we've got chives at the back. These are all garlics. Mrs. C just decides she wants to do garlic. She's planted some ginger as well. Some of it's made its way to the top, guys. But there's ginger in there. You've got spinach. That's getting a bit tall. Potatoes, they come back every year. Just when you think you've got rid of them all, you find more. And the beans are starting to finally come through. See there? Yeah, they're starting to come through. So we need to, well, there's 4 down there. See them? So we need to sort of start moving them around. I've put some extra posts in for the missus, so we can have loads of beans. This one's coming up as well. I don't know if it's going to survive. It's looking a bit brown on the leaf, but it doesn't matter. I've got some more in the greenhouse. Oh, we got rats in the garden as well. There's a rat keeps coming from here. And I think it's because of all this seed, look. All that seed. Bloody birds. I bought a bird feeder and I keep filling it up. And wood pigeons are flapping around and eating it. But they're not making the mess. It's the little tiny ones. Like sparrows. They sit here and then they shake their heads and they knock seed everywhere. It all falls on the floor. All down here. Then the big pigeons come and eat it. But the rats, bloody rats, keep coming down here and eating the seed. You can't blame them, they're hungry. Bloody rats. I saw one 3 times yesterday. Let's have a look in the greenhouse. She's planted more pak choi, Chinese cabbage. We've got an absolute shitload of the stuff. I mean, look at it. Loads of it. She dug a load of it up at one time, and then there's just more. She must have planted 1 million seeds. She's got stuff in there that's sort of starting to look good. I can't remember what that was. Something gourd or something. Same as that. It's exactly the same. Filipinos, you'll know what it is. And then we've got chilies and tomatoes. And yeah, a little bit of basil starting to come back. These are the other beans that I've grown in the kitchen, guys. They're going outside. These are long beans. And they're very hard to grow in the UK. But I've managed to set some going in the kitchen. And then I've moved them into the greenhouse. So that's quite a few of them, guys. We're going to have long beans this year. Mrs. C will be happy. I think these are tomato plants. And in here, you can't see jack shit yet, but these are Japanese soybeans. Mrs. has got some big thing for these Japanese Mada beans or something. So I've planted 10 of them. We'll see how we get on. So yeah, not much going on. Now these are my favourite plants, lilies. I love lilies. And we've got lilies starting to come through. See? I do like my lilies. They're my favourites. Told you I was bored, guys. We can't have a jacuzzi today because it's going to rain. There's no point having a barbecue today because, yeah, it's going to rain. Oh well. Things you do to make content on a Sunday for YouTube, eh? Might as well show you the front room as well. So when you come in from the garden, the first thing you see is a little altar. This is Ascension's little thing. She's had it for ages. And this is where Dad lives. This is Ronaldo Marzan, Papa. He passed away a few years ago. But Ascension, she always she leaves him little sweets and little drink and has a candle. Always has that for Dad. There's always some fresh flowers there for him. This is our house. We got Buddha pictures, we got hanging plants. These are Philippine money plants. All the little knickknacks there of Ascension. She has all these weird little animals as well. It's an Ascension thing. Apparently that's Lucky, it's Chinese. We got stuff scattered everywhere. We've got little money pots where we're sort of saving cash. And yeah, these are real plants, guys. These are real plants, they're not plastic. Not money plants again. Got a load of them. That's elephants. My little couches. Before me and Ascension got together, this was a very bare room. I had 2 couches in here and a little bit of furniture, and I didn't have all this stuff on the walls or posh curtains and things. So since me and Mrs. C have been together, she's sort of put her little touch to the place. Even more plants here. Not sure what these plants are, but I've had them a long time. And they nearly died at one point, but Ascension's brought them back to life again. They've got pretty little flowers on them. I'm not sure what variety they are. More money plants. That's shooting as well. Well, it's not making us any money. Oh, here's my little spirits container. Gins and vodkas and wines. Funny enough, I don't really eat a lot of eat a lot. I don't really drink a lot of spirits. I just don't. Oh, and I've got to show you this. I got this off Manisha, my daughter-in-law, for my birthday. This, guys. It's tubs. And this one is limited edition Scotty. It's a Scotty from Star Trek, Rubber Duck. And I need to give it a flotation test. It's got tribbles and everything like that. That's what them things are around its neck, tribbles. So it's a Scotty Rubber Duck. That's going in the jacuzzi at some point. We're going to see if it floats. I need to give it a sink test. Right, well, I'm not going to bore the shit out of you anymore today. I'm just going to leave it at that and upload this video. Mrs. C might put an appearance in later on. She's still in bed watching Korean K-dramas, guys. Oh, she's got a great life. That's it. So, bye from Mr. C. Have a great day. And thanks for putting up with this boring shit drivel. Because I've got nothing else to blog about for a change. I've got nothing funny to say. Nothing special to do. Thanks to the new subscribers. Kedaya man, hello mate. Versatech, hi. Brothers, sisters, friends, family, wherever you are, hello. And I'll catch you later, guys. Have a great day.
be